Once again, it's a beautiful snowfall in London, and the location is Canary Wharf. That's the HSBC building. I can see the snowflakes falling. I hope it's being catched in the video. Rooftops of the buildings, the little buildings, and the dock sides are covered with snows, all white. I'm standing in the DLR station of West in the Quey, and right next to me is the Canary Wharf. That's Daza, and that's here. That is me. That is me. Well, to me it's quite unexpected, the snowfall at this time of the year. It's March, sorry, it's April. What's the date today? 6th.
April 6th.
It's 6th of April 2008. I expected a snowfall around in January and February, but it's really pleasant and a great experience. It's nice. It's beautiful. That's the Docklands building, HSBC, and that's City Group. Now we're gonna catch the train to Stratford, so we're rushing down. He's gonna come in 1 minute. These are the stairs of East India Quay DLR station. Approaching DLR train, what you call the Carden Network. That's the ship. This is the ship, or the dock of Canary Wharf.